All right, 5 years ago, this was planted grass seed. This was planted native prairie grassland. It was all the exact same soil type at the time. The only difference has been this has been chemically treated and has only had grass growing on it. Over here, it's a whole mix and diversity of species that are native to the area. We just got 3/4 of an inch of rain. Let's see how far we can push this penetrometer down into the soil. 300 psi, that's what we're over right there. That's what we're looking at. And that gets us about 2.5 inches of penetration down into the soil profile. So grass has a very fine root system. It needs fluffy soil to grow its roots deep. Genetically, this stuff could grow 2 to 3 feet deep. It's only grown about that deep. And that's why your grass is brown all the time, even when you get rain, because the grass only has access to that water for a couple of days before it all evaporates and dries out, because the water is not infiltrating the soil profile and the roots aren't able to follow that down. So your grass browns out very quickly because your grass is growing in dirt. Now over here, we got to check this out. Native prairie grassland. Penetrometer's going. We just passed 250 psi and right there, 300 psi. Look at that. This is how deep we were able to get down into that soil before we hit 300 psi. 300 psi is about where roots struggle to push through that much compaction. This is how much deeper this root system is, which also means that's how much water can penetrate and infiltrate down to that zone and that layer. So these plants over here can handle drought much more efficiently than this grass. And that's providing us a service. This over here, if it's not infiltrating water, the water's running off. It's turning into storm runoff. That's where we're seeing all these huge floods. Yes, water's coming down very fast, but it's also not infiltrating the soil. Over here, it's infiltrating the soil. It's staying in place. It's not running off into a stream and a river to eventually bust the banks, bust a bridge, bust a road, take somebody's house away. Soil can play such a key and vital function for our society and our communities, and there's a dollar amount attached to that that is never considered, never thought of, and this is what everyone does. We walk on dirt, we live on dirt, and dirt does nothing for us.